Hello everyone, I am the Math Mom and I'm here today to show you how to find the least common multiple, right? But in order to find the least common multiple, we need to know what a common multiple is. A common multiple is a number that is a multiple of two or more numbers, okay? And so the least common multiple of two numbers is the smallest number that is not a multiple of both. But that's not including 0. Okay, let me explain that a little bit better. So, if we were to take the number 3 and the number 4, and we want to find the least common multiple of both of those, right? We're going to say 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. And so on. And we're going to do the same with the number 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And that's where you get the number 4, right? 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. And so on, right? So that's how you get multiples of a number. So these are the multiples of 3. These are all the multiples of 3. And these are all the multiples of 4. And it keeps going on, so on, so on, so on. Right? But what we're looking for here is the least common multiple of both the numbers. If you see here, I have already circled the number 12 on both because they both have the number 12. Now that's a common multiple, but is it the smallest common multiple? Is it the least common multiple? We don't know. So that what I do is I continue going until I find another multiple of both. That'll give me the previous one as the least common multiple. So I went on. 4 times 5 is 16. 4 times 6 is 20. 4 times 8 and so on. And I got 24. Okay? Well, I just realized 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. Mistake there. And then I went on with this one, okay? 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. And 3 times 8 is 24. I realized that this is another common multiple of both numbers. So obviously, this is the least common multiple. That's how you find it. Okay? So the least common multiple of 3 and 4, what is it? Man, I can't even write here today. 12. Okay? So now that we have that, we know how to find the least common multiple, let's try a whole nother one. Okay? Here we go. So, let's try the numbers 5 and 10. Find the least common multiple of 5 and 10. Well, we're going to say 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's stop there and see if we find anything with 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Now, what numbers, do you see a number here and a number here that match? Yes. You have the number 10. That is a common multiple of both 5 and 10. Now, I stopped here because 20 is also a common multiple. So because we have more common multiples, we know that the previous one is the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of the numbers 5 and 10 is 10. Does that make sense? I hope that's making sense, right? So, one more, guys. Let's do another simple one. Let's do the numbers 3 and 5. So we're going to multiply. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Let's stop there. All right? 5, 10, 15. Already we see a common multiple. But is that the least common multiple? We don't know. We have to continue going until we have another common multiple in order to make 15 the common multiple. So that will be 18. You have 21, 24, 27, 30. 15 over here, right? 20, 25, 30. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Another common multiple. Therefore, we know that the least common multiple for the numbers 3 and 5 is 15. You know? That's how you find the least common multiple. If you enjoyed and you learned something from this video, please like and subscribe to see more videos from me, okay? And until next time.